Hi, do you want to screen the same dataset with different collaborators? Then you might want to conduct the screening via the Serve Research Cloud on ASReview Lab 2.2. This makes the screening process far more straightforward. Similar to OneDrive or Google Drive, ASReview allows you to work on the same file while your progress is saved to the Dutch Research Cloud, which is hosted by Serve. So, in contrast to reviewing via localhost, which is your computer, you use an online host, a server or cloud. This means you don't need to install it on your computer and you can even screen on your phone or tablet. So, how does this work in practice? For example, I'm currently working on a systematic literature review with my colleague Josine. She's in the Netherlands while I'm in Argentina. We use the Dutch Research Cloud, which is hosted by Serve. First, you log in online. I do this with an edu ID. If you use the ID of a different institution, this might look slightly different. Then you choose the dataset that you want to review. You can also add another colleague by clicking over here. Now you can just start screening as you always did. All the features of ASReview Lab are the same. However, the difference is that all progress is saved online. So Yosine can continue working on it in the morning while I'm still asleep, for example. For each article, you can also leave a note, so collaborators can check on you if you have any doubts. In the right corner, you can see who are collaborating on this project. You can also find more detailed information on this under the Teams tab. Under the Collection tab, you can see which articles were screened and who screened each of them. If you export the file, you can also see who rated each article. As you can see, using ASReview via the Serve Research Cloud facilitates the screening process even more. Let me just mention 3 advantages. 1. It improves accessibility and flexibility during the screening process. No more confusion between different versions as all progress is saved online. You can also screen on different devices at any place and any time. 2. It facilitates collaboration across departments and time zones. Instead of depending on a local installation, the physical cap now doesn't play a role anymore. 3. It therefore also becomes more time efficient and entertaining. As you can work together on the same dataset, the screening is faster and can become more fun. In this context, ASReview organizes screenathons, events where a large group of investigators simultaneously conduct screening. More info in the link. So, as everyone easily accesses the same version of the same data in the same online space, using ASReview via the Serve Research Cloud is a great way to collaborate on a dataset. Now you can really screen wherever you want. Un gran saludo desde Argentina.